Today I'm going to show you how you can create a survey from a template. You can use one of our expert survey and report templates and save time. When you use a template, you can customize the survey and also the reports to fit your goals and brand. To create a survey from a template, you click on the surveys area icon and click on New on the side menu. Then you can select a category to browse the available templates. You can click on a template, for example, customer experience, to see a preview of the survey questions. For example, today we're going to use website feedback. When you find a template you want to use, you click Next. Then you can give your survey a name and select the languages you want to include in your survey. For example, we're going to call it Test today, and we want to use English as our language. If there is a report available, you can choose to include it as part of your template. A report based on the survey will be added to your report library accordingly. Then we click Next. So, our survey is created from a template, and now you can edit the survey however you like before sending it to respondents. Once you have collected data, you can update the report data and get some valuable insights. And this is how you create a survey from a template.